Hello students, in last lecture we study Zener as a voltage regulator which is known as shunt regulator and transistor as a regulator which is a series regulator. In Zener, the drawback is Zener is always connected in the breakdown region, and in series regulator the drawback is more power dissipation in the series pass transistor. To overcome these drawbacks, the next regulator is a 3-terminal IC voltage regulator. As the name indicates 3-terminal, it has only 3 terminals. One is input, second is output, and third is common or ground. In last regulators, the circuits are complicated because of maximum components, but in IC regulators there uses only 2 bypass capacitors. Therefore the regulator is easy to handle and easy to regulate the voltage. Therefore this IC voltage regulator is used regularly. In the figure we shows the block diagram of 3-terminal IC voltage regulator. It consists of pass transistor, then thermal shutdown and current limiting, then a operational amplifier and a voltage divider by using resistors. The terminals are input, output and common. The first pass transistor block. The pass transistor is that the 3-terminal IC regulator consists of a pass transistor which can handle more than a 1.5 ampere of load current. That is, the maximum capacity of current handling of that transistor is 1.5 ampere. It also provides the current from 100 milliampere to more than 3 ampere. This is the pass transistor. In pass transistor there are mostly used heat sinks or fans. The need of heat sinks or fan is that this IC chip turns itself off when the internal temperature of this IC becomes more than 175 degree Celsius. That is, जेव्हा आयसीचा इंटरनल टेम्परेचर 175 डिग्री सेल्सिअसच्या पुढे जातं तेव्हा हा आयसी ऑटोमॅटिकली टर्न ऑफ होतो आणि ह्या कंडिशनला काय म्हटलं जातं? थर्मल शटडाउन. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस thermal shutdown, the pass transistor is protected, and for this thermal shutdown current limiting technique is used. For current limiting there are heat sinks and fans are used. Then third block is the operational amplifier. In operational amplifier there are 2 terminals. One is inverting terminal and second is non-inverting terminal. The non-inverting terminal has reference voltage and the inverting terminal is given by the internal voltage divider. This internal voltage divider gives the input to the inverting input terminal of op-amp, which gives the voltages of ranges 5, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 18. That is 5, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 18 voltages are given to the inverting terminal of operational amplifier. And because of these voltage ranges, the IC should be LM3405, that is it gives a regulated 5 volt DC output. And again, for example, LM34012, it gives a 12 volt regulated DC output voltage. These are the series of fixed voltage regulators. The block diagram of 3-terminal voltage regulator consists of pass transistor, thermal shutdown and current limiting, operational amplifier and internal voltage divider. The pass transistor is a transistor which can handle more than a 1.5 ampere of load current. If the internal temperature of this IC chip becomes more than 175 degrees Celsius, then the IC chip will automatically turn off. For this purpose, the current limiting technique is used, that is heat sinks or fans may be used. The internal voltage divider gives the voltages like 5, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 18, which gives the regulated output voltage range. For example, LM3406 gives the regulated 6 volt DC voltage. Because of this purpose, the IC regulator uses more than the shunt regulator and series regulator. Then there are two types of this IC regulator. First type is the fixed voltage IC regulator, and second one is variable voltage IC regulator. Fixed voltage IC regulator and variable voltage IC regulator. Fixed voltage IC regulator series are LM340 and LM320. These series are used for fixed voltage IC regulators. It has the output voltage from, that is the output range of this fixed voltage regulator is from plus 5 volt plus minus 2%. 2% is the tolerance between output voltage, and the maximum load current of this fixed voltage regulator is 1.5 ampere. The load regulation is, in last lectures we studied the load regulation, that is even if there are changes in the load, then the output should be constant, which is known as load regulation. The load regulation is about 10 millivolt, and line regulation. The line regulation for fixed voltage regulator is 3 millivolt. These are the specifications of fixed voltage IC regulator. That is, it gives the fixed voltage regulator about the load current 1.5 ampere. The maximum output voltage is plus 5 volt. Load regulation is 10 millivolt and line regulation is 3 millivolt. Then the second type is variable voltage regulator. In this case, variable voltage regulator, a variable resistor is used to vary the voltage range. The voltage range may be between 1.25 volt to 37 volt. That is, between 1.25 volt to 37 volt, it gives the maximum voltage, it gives the maximum load current of 1.5 ampere. The voltage can be adjusted between 1.25 volt to 37 volt. Then the load regulation for this variable voltage regulator is 0.1%. The ripple rejection, ripples are the unwanted components in the rectifier circuit. The ripple rejection is 80 dB. dB, that is decibels. Ripples are unwanted AC components, and the ripple rejection for variable voltage regulator is 80 dB, and the line regulation is 0.01%. These are the specifications of variable voltage regulator, and the output voltage of this variable voltage regulator is given by 1.25 into R2 divided by R1 plus 1, where R2 is the variable resistor the voltage across this variable resistor may be adjusted, that is resistor will be varied. Output voltage is given by 1.25 into R2 divided by R1 plus 1. These are the specifications of variable voltage regulator. The fixed voltage regulators are used for a dual power supply, that is 340 series are used for positive voltage and 320 are used for negative voltage. By combining these two series, we can regulate the dual power supply, that is positive as well as negative. This series is used for a load current regulation. Then variable voltage regulator series are LM317, LM338 and LM350. These are the variable voltage regulator IC series. These are used for the 317 is used for positive variable voltage regulator. This is the all about fixed voltage IC regulator and variable voltage regulator. The block diagram of 3-terminal IC voltage regulator is used for 4 marks in board question paper. The diagram for 2 mark and explanation of each mark is for 2 mark. Then the notes on fixed voltage regulator and variable voltage regulator, or question may be write the difference between fixed voltage regulator and variable voltage regulator. In difference there are the points of output voltage, load current, load regulation and line regulation. These are points in the notes as well as in the difference.